So I think, in the military, you have Boyd's loops or OODA loops, basically. So iterative, basically informational loops that are constantly spinning, to reorient you. So I think as you combine the cloud aspect and then SDN, which is part of the cloud, and then the dynamic storage aspect, what you'll have is basically almost self-healing networks going forward. So what you'll have is, let's say that you have something that you're not sure is a problem. In an SDN world where you have a brain, and like we have a product called TIE, but like I said, with a standard that allows you to actually, interwork with whatever.
Right.
Let's say you're not exactly sure a set of nodes could have an issue. Well, not only querying those nodes in real time, but in an SDN world, you can actually pick them up and potentially leverage all of the standards that have gone before in switches in a dynamic VLAN, and all of a sudden now you can reroute them through an additional set of eyes. I can inject latency into some consistent latency to give me a few more milliseconds to basically act on those types of things. So there's a lot of things that go on right now that are manual processes, and so the enablement of the tip of the spear requires that standardization that then allows you what I call personal productivity savings, a secure personal productivity savings. How many minutes can I give my end user a day back to do the job that they need to do? And that's not just for operations and security personnel. That's for the tip of the spear people, the enablement of the airmen that we're talking about.
Sure.
And I think the only way you do that is to take what we do and to make it as much like a utility as possible. This is not a black magic situation. The cloud is not black magic, and security is not black magic. Some people would like you to think that. It's really an evolving science. There's a bit of art to it right now, but it's an evolving science. So the quicker we evolve the science, the faster we'll actually be able to compensate for all the data that's going to be flowing at us and all the things that are going to be flowing at us.
Fantastic.
Longer term, cloud also can help you reduce your attack the attack surface.
Cool.
But you got to do it the right way.
Cool.